Hi there, it's Ernest from TripAstute. In this video, we're discussing how to use the Amazon Locker service to prevent stolen packages while traveling. Have you ever been on a trip and decided to place an order with Amazon, expecting it to be delivered when you returned home? Then you notice a shipping notification and an early delivery date, perhaps a day or two earlier than you anticipated. And you start thinking of the package sitting outside your door, just waiting to be stolen. Well, I definitely have. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to have your Amazon packages delivered to an official Amazon locker. Amazon has offered this service for a few years in select markets, and it seems to be growing the service internationally. Basically, Amazon has placed lockers in certain locations, for example 7-Elevens here in Los Angeles, allowing you to have your packages delivered there and securely stored. You can opt to use the service when selecting the shipping location, then search for lockers in your area. Once Amazon delivers the package, they will send you a code and a barcode that you can use at the locker. This is a great option for folks that live in multi-unit housing like apartments, and also for those of you who travel a lot. Even if I'm not traveling, I'll often use the service if I know I won't be home for most of the day, since a few of my neighbors have reported their packages stolen during the day. Before you have your next package delivered via Amazon Locker, here are a few things to keep in mind though. Number 1, 3-day pickup window. Amazon gives you 3 days to pick up your items from a locker. If you don't pick it up in time, then they will automatically have it returned. Number 2, returns. You can usually return items using a locker as well. When requesting a return, you'll notice the option to return via locker included with the usual methods, like UPS and Postal Service. Number 3, location accessibility. Most lockers are in areas that are accessible 24 hours a day. However, there are a few lockers located in access-controlled areas, like large apartment complexes and university dorms. Amazon generally warns users if they have selected a non-accessible location, but just be mindful of the location that you're selecting. And that's our travel tip. Have you ever used the Amazon Locker service? If so, let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so you can get notifications on our new posts. Also, check out our travel tips playlist for more videos like this one. We recently did a video on the US Postal Service Informed Delivery Program, so check it out if you're looking for more ways to prevent mail theft, especially while traveling. Until next time, travel safe and travel smart.